Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. Actually WhatsApp is really very important application for us because through this WhatsApp application we can communicate with our friends, family members and lots of people. So that's why we need to use this WhatsApp application. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So in this video, I'm going to show you two kinds of easiest process. So either you can follow the first process or second process. So let's go for the first process. So in every phone, maybe you have Play Store and you have Play Store account. So just open your Play Store and after that just search here WhatsApp and you need to click here install option and wait for a few seconds. And guys, if you don't have Play Store account, that time there is no worry, you can follow my second process. So after installing WhatsApp application, just click here open option and after that just click here next option and then agree and continue, then allow, and you can give your phone number and you can create WhatsApp account. So that's the first process. And if you don't have Play Store account, that time you can follow the second process. So just you need to go to Google or Google Chrome browser and after that just write here WhatsApp download APK. And after that just scroll down and click on that one which is APK Pure. Just click on that link. Then you need to scroll down. Then click here download APK. Then again scroll down. And you can see in here download X APK. Just click on it. Then wait for a few seconds. Then choose here download. And then go to details and you can see the WhatsApp application already downloading. So just install this WhatsApp application after downloading. So that's it guys. So by this two kinds of easiest process you can download and install WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching this video.